Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a long time that I do tutorial about AppCreator24, but today I'm going to be doing an amazing tutorial because there are new updates on AppCreator24, which I'm going to be showing you one of them today. So first we are going to come on Create App, and for those of you that are new to AppCreator24, go to the description of this video. You'll find the link to all the full course of AppCreator24. So while you're still waiting for, check the description for those that are new, and for those that have experience or become an expert, this is a new feature for you. Just come to create new app. As you just click, then come to try our AI to create app. So you can use AI to create application, and it will reduce the stress and the time for you to create your application. So let's try the AI by clicking on try our AI to create application. So as you can see, with this option you can generate an app simply by describing what you want. Our AI will guide you step by step. How does it work? It's free, of course. You only need to register on ChatGPT if you don't have account, but I already did, so I don't need to register again. You describe the type of app you want, theme, feature, style, etc. Whatever you want the app to look like. The AI automatically creates app following your instruction that you give to the AI. Once generated, click the link to edit and log in into your AppCreator control panel. So once the AI creates the application, it will give you a link for you to click, and once you click it, it will take you to AppCreator24 for you to edit. Maybe you want to add new features or make an adjustment. So example prompt. So this is an example prompt which you can use. So I'm going to be going with this for this tutorial. So make sure your prompt is very customized to based on what you want to create. So let's click on this open AI assistant. So it will take us to ChatGPT automatically by itself. So once, let's just wait. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, ChatGPT also suggests some app, as you can see. So, but I've already copied a prompt, so I'm going to paste it, or you can just type a new prompt. Maybe create an app that have this feature. So just give the details with this color, stuff like that. The more creative you are, the more your prompts are perfectly let's say structured. That's how the application will come out clean and professional. So just for the test, I'm going to be using this one. So we said a chat app where user can create profile and send private messages. So as you can see, it's already generating some prompts. So yeah, it asks us a question. It says, would you like me to search for these resources and then create app structure for you? So you can say yes. So it might take a few minutes for this to search for the webs. Okay, as you can see. So okay, would you like me to process and draft an onboarding video demo link using overflow PA or video? Create your chat app instruction. So we're just going to say, okay, create the app. No, let me just use that. I don't think what's happening. Let me just reload. I think the message is not loading properly. Let me reload this page. Okay, I think that's okay. As you can see, it says I'll be there for Android want to talk to AppCreator24, so you have to confirm to allow it. So it's already talking to AppCreator24 by creating our app based on this description we've already given to this description up here. So you can this description that a chat app where user can create profiles and send private messages. So it's currently talking to AppCreator24. Depending on how complex your app is, that's why it will take time, but this is a simple app, so it won't have to take time. So it has already downloaded it. If you want to download the application, if you want to edit it, so we're going to click on this customize edit. It will take us to AppCreator24 so automatically. So now let's look for the app. What is the app name? Let me check for the app name here. I don't think, okay, chat connect. I think let's check. if there's anything like chat connect, okay, this is it. That you can, it automatically generate an icon for it also, but you can change that if you want. So the network is a little bit slow. So you can download the application by clicking this download chat connect. So you can also let it add any features to this application. Maybe you want it to maybe add new features, just tap it. Maybe you add stuff like this, add kinikon, add a game section, add stuff like that, and it automatically add it. You can also use it to generate code. You just say create an HTML page and do so things on this HTML page, and it automatically write the code for you and put it inside your app without you knowing anything about the coding. Network is terribly bad, right? Okay, I think the network is bad. So as you can see, this is the app general info, this is the app name, app icon. You can change anything according to what you want. Now let's go to the section. Let's see the section it generates automatically by itself. So as you can see, it generates the find user and the private message, and based on our prompt that we enter, we said a chat app where user can create profiles and send private messages. So this is obvious that they can send private message, and it have already set it that this app should be accessed by a login. Let me check. Okay, so you have to set it yourself. You see, just say sign up. For those that know about AppCreator24, this is not a new thing to them. But if you are new to AppCreator24, I will highly advise you to watch my full tutorial course so you can understand every single thing I'll be doing, because I'm starting back on AppCreator24 to teach more professional things you ever think is possible on this AppCreator24. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, show, comment, and also share to your friends and family. Comment what you actually struggling on AppCreator24. I might probably do it on my next tutorial, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I always say this. I have like 4,000 views on my playlist of tutorial of AppCreator24. I have like 800 subscribers. Can you see? And I also have so many other videos that generate subscriber apart from AppCreator24. So you guys are just watching without subscribing. That's the only help you can do to me. I'm helping you with what knowledge God gave me, so you can also support me by just subscribing. It's won't hurt. Thank you guys for watching once again. See you later.